Well, good morning, everyone, and we're back to work on the flooring today. Smoke detectors are going off because we just powered up the generator. Anyway, we're getting started back on the flooring today. We have a spot in the floor where we have to grind down because it's wavy, it's too high. We don't want the floor to be uneven, so we're going to grind that down first thing before we continue on with our flooring. All right, so we're going to call this a day. I've got some other things I got to do this afternoon anyway. But the floor throughout the living room, or I'm sorry, the dining room, laundry room, and kitchen is done. I'll show you a short video of that, what it looks like. You can see what we've got done, kind of how it got installed. But we just use this vinyl plank that interlock snaps together. You have to whack it with a hammer to get them to lock in good. Cuts real easy with a razor knife, but looks real good. Our next step is going to be probably trim doors, and then we'll get ready for our carpet. Still got to get my countertops in. I've got the countertops, but I got to get some bolts and stuff to hold the countertops together. I don't have those yet. And a few other things I've got to pick up. I'm going to show you a little bit of the flooring so you can kind of see what it looks like now. The laundry room. We'll back up out of here. Come through our door here. Here's our dining room floor. Turned out really good. Along this line right here, you see right here, this is on this side we're going to have carpet for the living room, and we're going to transition to this flooring over here. There's my air return for the air conditioner. But there you have it. We see we did a staggered pattern. These are 1 foot by 2 foot. And we got a staggered pattern here. Now here's our refrigerator. And then the stove is going to be here. We just ran it back there. I know these two lines here don't line up, but the stove is going to sit there, and they're not going to be able to see that. So that's just going to be under the stove. And if you notice, the gap is kind of tight. There's a little bit of room there, but the gap is kind of tight because we have to put our toe kick on there. If you look, here's the toe kick, and it's about 1/4 inch thick. So it's got to cover that gap that's down here. And there you have it. That's the extent of what we've got done in the kitchen for the flooring for today. We're going to call it a wrap, and we'll see you next time.